Here's problem 3 from the 2014 AMC 8. Isabella read an average of 36 pages per day for the first 3 days. An average of 44 pages per day for the next 3 days. And then finished with 10 pages on the last day. How many pages were in the book? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's find the pages in each part. For the first 3 days she averaged 36 pages a day. So that's 3 times 36, which is 108 pages. For the next 3 days she averaged 44 pages a day. So that's 3 times 44, which is 132 pages. And on the last day she read 10 more pages. Now we add the 3 parts together. 108 plus 132 plus 10 equals 250 pages. So the book had 250 pages, which is choice B.